with Miss Janelle, and this week we are getting in the fall season. Has it gotten a little cold? Has the leaves started falling? Do you smell pumpkin spice and all kinds of exciting things happening around you? Like, this is my favorite season of the year. But do you know who doesn't like this season of the year? You guessed it, Otis. Oh, he always gets so mad about the leaves falling down, and he is so grumpy. Should we wake him up? I think we should. Okay, do you remember how to wake up Otis? There's only one way in the whole wide world. We have to say, 1, 2, 3, wake up Otis. You think you can do it? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis! Otis, it's time to wake up. No, I don't want to. Well, Otis, no. It's time for story time to go. Oh, story time to go. Oh, well, why didn't you say so? Oh, I did say so. Oh, yeah. I guess you did say so. All right, Otis, are you ready for this week's craft? Of course I am. I'm always ready for the craft. I always do such a great job with the crafts. Otis, yeah, you don't do a great job with the crafts. I don't? No. Well, what happens then? Otis, you always go to sleep and I have to do the craft all by myself. No. It's not true. I'll be awake this time. What are we doing? What? Wait a minute. I don't think I like this craft. Otis, why not? Because I see those terrible, pesky things. What are you talking about? These. Oh, I don't like them. You don't? Why not? Because they're always falling on my head. They're falling on your head. I know. I just go walking around, and next thing I know, these little things are all over, and they fall on me, and I don't like them. Otis, those are called leaves, okay? I still don't like them. And it's the time of year when the leaves fall off the trees. What? Are you trying to tell me that the trees get naked? Oh, very inappropriate. Oh no, Otis. Trees get ready for winter. Oh, I still don't like it. Otis, are you gonna stay awake and do this craft? No. You're not? No. Really? No. Please? Okay, fine. I'll stay awake. I'll do this craft, even though I don't like those leaves. Okay, you promise? I guess, if I have to. Yes, Otis, I really need you to help me with this craft today. Okay, I will. Oh. What? Wait a minute. What is this thing? It's a leaf wreath. A leaf wreath? No, Otis, leaf wreath. Leaf thief. No, leaf wreath. Leaf. Otis, no. A leaf wreath. Can you say it at home? Leaf wreath. It is a tongue twister. Oh, I don't know what it is. I just know it's this thing. It's a beautiful necklace. Oh no, Otis. That's not what it is at all. Oh, it's not. I like it though. No, Otis, please take that off your face. Oh, okay. Ah! All right, Otis, so I'm gonna put you right here so that I can show my friends what we're gonna get in our craft bag this week. Oh, yeah. And, oh man. Let's see what we get in our kit for this week when you come by the library and pick up your Story Time to Go kit. So this week in your kit, you're going to get a paper plate. You're also going to get a paper with some leaves and some pre-cut out leaves. You'll also get a few crayons, a glue stick, and a ribbon. All right, so once you get your kit, you're gonna get to come to the library. And the very first thing you're gonna do is draw a circle on the inside of your plate. That is very important. And you're gonna need that circle in the middle to make it a wreath. Okay, so once you've got your circle, you can fold your plate in half and give it a snip in the middle. Then you're gonna cut it out. Ta-da! And it's gonna look like this. This piece we don't need. I am going to take some of these leaves and cut them out also. That I am going to stick on to my leaf wreath. Now, if you would like to go outside and collect your own leaves and make the leaf wreath look even more real, that is a great idea. I think that you should do that. All right. But since Miss Janelle is here with Otis, who fell asleep, I will just use the leaves that have been provided for me. Ta-da! But I think I'd like to add a little bit of extra color to my leaf wreath, and I'm going to add some extras, and I think I would like to make an acorn. You can decorate your leaf wreath however you like, as long as it looks festive for fall. There we go. But your leaf wreath is not complete without a ribbon, so you can hang it from your window or your door or wherever you would like to put it to help you get into the fall festive mood. And there it is. What do you think of Miss Janelle's leaf wreath? Do you think you could make one yourself? I bet you could. But do you know who I think couldn't make one by themselves? Otis! Should we show him what we've made? What he has missed out because he went to sleep? I think we should. Do you remember how to wake him up? All right, we have to say 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis. Think you can do it? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis! Oh, yeah. I'm awake. I was awake the whole time. Yeah. See? Oh, I like this. Wow. Do you see what I worked on? I worked really hard to make this. Otis? Yeah. I don't think you made this. Yeah, I did. Don't you remember? You saw me make it, didn't you? Yeah. No, Otis. You were sleeping. No. I was awake and I made this beautiful thing. Really? Yeah. I don't know if I believe that, but I'll tell you what, Otis. What? I'll let you take it and hang it up in your house so that you can have a festive fall. Oh, I don't really like fall, but okay, I'll take it. It does look very nice. Thank you. And then you know what I'm going to do with it? What are you going to do with it? I'm going to eat it. Yum. Otis, yeah, how was it? It was delicious. Oh, no, Otis. All right, I'll see you next time. Mwah.